Today, we're going to demonstrate just how easy and convenient it is to log a ticket through the NZCS IT Support App, the mobile version. Firstly, we'll need to download the application. Head to the App Store or Play Store and type NZCS. Install the application, and once installed, open, enter in your email and password, and then head to Service Request. By clicking on Service Request, you can enter in details to be sent through to our engineering team to help diagnose a problem or a task. You can adjust the importance for the ticket, enter in a title, and then fill out the description box. Another great thing about the mobile version is you can click the microphone on the bottom left of the keyboard to narrate the issue instead of typing it. You can also add a picture or file to aid with showing the engineering team what you require assistance with. From there, hit done and your ticket will be sent straight through to the engineers and one of the team will get back to you ASAP. Easy as that. They'll give you a call or flick you an email, whichever you prefer. The mobile version means that you can create a ticket anywhere, anytime.